Now, this is not financial advice. So first off, we have annuities. Annuities are a great way to generate monthly income, especially if you're retired or if you're nearing retirement. There are different types of annuities, but the most common type is a variable annuity. With a variable annuity, you invest your money in a portfolio of stocks, bonds, and other assets. And then the insurance company pays you a guaranteed income for life, based on the value of your portfolio. Next, we have bonds. Bonds are debt securities that pay you interest over time. They're typically less risky than stocks, but they also don't offer the same potential for growth. There are different types of bonds, but the most common type is a corporate bond. Corporate bonds are issued by companies to finance their operations or growth. They typically have a maturity date of 10 years or longer, and they pay you interest semi-annually or annually. Next, we have mutual funds. Mutual funds are a type of investment that pools money from multiple investors to invest in a diversified portfolio of assets such as stocks, bonds, and money market instruments. They're typically managed by professional fund managers who make investment decisions on behalf of the investors. There are many different types of mutual funds, but the most common type is an equity fund. Equity funds invest primarily in stocks, and they can provide investors with long-term growth potential. Next, we have a real estate investment trust. A real estate investment trust is a type of investment that invests in real estate and pays out the income it generates to shareholders. REITs are required to distribute at least 90% of their taxable income to shareholders. Next, we have rental income. Rental income is another great way to generate monthly income. You can invest in residential or commercial real estate, and you can either buy properties that are income producing, or you can buy properties that you can rent out yourself. You can rent out a room in your house or apartment, or you can rent out your entire property. Real estate can be a great investment if you're looking for long-term cash flow. Next, we have government securities. Government securities are considered to be one of the safest investments you can make. These are loans made to the federal government, and they typically have a maturity date of less than 10 years. They pay you interest semi-annually, and they're a great way to diversify your portfolio